The overall goal of this deep TMS protocol is to demonstrate how the H1 deep TMS coil can be repositioned on the skull to target different anatomical regions and disorders.
This method can help answer key questions in the TMS field, such as how to stimulate the medial prefrontal cortex or the temporoparietal junction if you only have the H1 coil.
The main advantage of this technique is that it is easy to apply and be confident that the targeted anatomical region is being stimulated since the coil is so large.
This method can provide insight into neural circuits of the specific symptoms treated. It can also be applied to other H coils and other conditions, such as using the H7 coil over the motor cortex to treat neuropathic pain or examine the integrity of the corticospinal tract.
Begin by placing the blue cap with the two intercepting rulers onto the subject. Then, place the 0 centimeter mark of the white sagittal ruler on the nasion and the 25 centimeter mark of the clear coronal ruler at 40% of the nasion-inion distance with the 0 on the left side of the patient's head. Use the helmet to find the resting motor threshold, or MT, of the right hand by starting with the front of the helmet 7 centimeters from the nasion and the left side of the coil tilted 2 centimeters to the right. Then, identify the minimal motor threshold, also known as